Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check nearby airports on the Windy application, or just simply the available airports on the map. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the menu icon in the right side of the screen. That's the third option. After that, you should swipe down till you or scroll down till you find this display on map section, and tap on airports. Now go back to your map, and here you can see the airports. These are indicated with this green circle, so click on the relevant one, and here you are going to see the airport of your selected city, and you can find the information about it, the name of it, and also these options, also the meteogram, and so on. So if you go back, you can also see that there are other airports, so feel free to check them out. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.